sit down.
This is the city, Hollywood, California. Today I work here as a cop. It's Friday, Ten-4 day, and the master of ceremonies is Shotgun Tom Kelly. The organizer, Gary Goltz. And me, well, today, the name's Friday. We were working the day watch out of Hollywood Division. It was sunny in Hollywood, and the black and whites were lined up as far as the eye could see. It was 2019 and the 15th annual Ten-4 day. We were to drive vintage police cars in a motorcade down Hollywood Boulevard to Broderick Crawford's Pavement star. Broderick Crawford, star of the 1950s TV series Highway Patrol, and all proceeds for the event would go to the Police Athletic Fund. We gathered in the parking lot of the Hollywood Heritage Museum. Channel 7 and MeTV were on site. The cars were the stars, including this 57 BMW Isetta, featured in a Woody Allen movie. But there were a few others. Richard Grieco of 21 Jump Street, and Paul Glaser of Starsky and Hutch, both very good people. I would drive the 1946 Willys Jeep. As the motorcade traveled through Hollywood, it garnered attention. The Willys Jeep was a crowd pleaser. Onlookers were a bit unruly. There was concern there may be public intoxication. We were on the lookout for unsavory characters in need of a tune-up. The Willys was equipped. We'd hook 'em and book 'em. Most of the people are good while some go bad, and that's when I go to work. I don't carry a badge. I just want to get the facts, ma'am.
Have a material witness on an aggravated battery with a handgun, and they believe this might be in retaliation to her testimony.